Hello parents, this is Fred Campos, Full Custody Dad on Twitter, and here's your custody tip of the day. In dealing with custody, you're going to hear lingos, and one of the questions you may be asking yourself is, what is temporary orders? This is a good question to ask your attorney, but in layman's terms, there will be a temporary hearing and a final hearing, a minimal, and in a divorce, usually the temporary hearing is going to occur fairly close to whenever the person filed, usually within 20 to 30 days, maybe up to 6 months. But in short, it is a very short hearing, usually in front of a judge, from which he will establish perhaps temporary alimony, perhaps temporary child support, and he will establish at least custody of your kids temporarily, as they say. However, in fighting for custody, what happens in temporary has a tendency to become permanent. So you need to take it very, very serious. However, if you don't win custody during your temporary hearing, it's not the end of the world. There are changes. In my particular case, I did not have custody of my daughter during the temporary hearing, but I obviously won full custody during my final. Nonetheless, you should take your temporary hearing as serious as your final. You should prepare for it. You should work with your attorney. You should have witnesses and find all the reasons why you should be the custodial parent, or at least have as much access to your children as possible. For more custody tips, as well as a course on how to win custody of your kids, check us out online at www.daddygotcustody.com.